So you've decided to grow a beard. Congratulations. Or maybe you've had a beard for a while, but now you're starting to have some issues with it as it's growing out in terms of comfort and flakiness. And if you clicked on this video, chances are you are suffering from the dreaded beard dandruff, or beard druff as people like to call it, and you're looking for a way to stop it. Well, the good news is it's super easy to get rid of beard dandruff or anything like that. Bad news is it's going to be a continual process of beard upkeep and maintenance to help get rid of those kind of issues. So today I want to talk about where beard dandruff comes from, how it begins, as well as the best things that you can do day in and day out to stop it, get rid of it, have a more comfortable, healthier beard. So first of all, what is beard dandruff? Well, most people are familiar with dandruff of the scalp. And dandruff of any kind is often paired with itchiness, redness, and flakiness, and is actually extremely common in the bearded community. It's actually estimated that up to 50% of bearded men have at one time dealt with beard dandruff or flakiness. Now, believe it or not, beard flakiness doesn't always come from beard dryness. A lot of people tend to think that flakiness has to be dryness, but that doesn't always have to be the case. It's usually the case, but not always. Almost everyone has a microbe in their skin called Malassezia globosa, and it's a kind of microbe that breaks down oils from your skin and leaves behind oleic acid, which is an irritant that causes redness, itchiness, and flaking on occasion. And you're probably thinking, okay, gross, Austin, like why do you gotta tell us that? Well, that means that even people with excessively oily skin can still get flakiness, redness, and irritation from their beard. And this just goes to show that even people in cold, dry climates or people in hot, humid climates can have this problem. So how do you get rid of it? A lot of people out there are going to tell you to slap some beard oil on it and call it a day, but this doesn't exactly work. Beard oil is a big part of it, and conditioning your beard is a big part of getting rid of flakiness, but it's not the only thing. That's really important to keep in mind. There's other steps you have to do first. The first one is exfoliating your beard. There is no point in putting beard oil on and trying to get rid of those flakes if you don't actually brush the flakes that are there out in the first place, because then you're just causing them to clump together and probably make breakouts and acne worse. What you want to do is grab your favorite boar bristle brush. It's got to be a boar bristle brush because typically boar bristles have a good amount of tension to them. They're soft enough to get through the beard and without like ripping apart your beard hairs or going through tangles or anything like that, but they're stiff enough to actually reach the skin and exfoliate underneath your beard. But if you would rather not invest in a beard brush, then a soft washcloth with some water should work in a pinch. The second step is going to be cleaning your beard. Okay, look, the shampoo runoff from the shower that you get from your hair is not going to be enough to wash your beard. You need a dedicated beard wash, something that is gentler than shampoo, that's safer for the skin, the sensitive skin around your mouth and your nose. This won't strip away too many oils like shampoo often does, which means that it's going to be easier to keep your beard from getting too dry, especially when you condition it later on. So find your favorite dedicated beard wash. We've got a beard wash on Grooming.com if you want to try that. I'll link it down in the description. But the point is, you need to wash your beard and actually get rid of a lot of the oils and the excess, everything in your beard that gets clumped in there and stays there over time. So once you've exfoliated and you've washed, now it's time to bring back some of the moisturizing like everyone likes to do with their favorite beard oil. Moisturizing is probably the most enjoyable and important step, I would say, in this process. So once you exfoliate and get all the excess debris and stuff out of your beard, and you're able to wash your beard and get a lot of the excess oils out as well, it's time to replace those oils with a controlled natural beard oil. And here's another really important tip. A lot of people who use beard oil out there use the thickest stuff they can get because they think thick may be better or thick is more hydrating or something like that, which isn't always the case. If it's too thick, it's actually going to make your beard hairs clump together and probably cause worse problems down the road when it comes to itchiness, clumping of like debris and skin cells, and cause breakouts and things like that. You want a light to medium beard oil. That way it absorbs into your beard really, really quickly, and it doesn't leave you feeling heavy. It doesn't clump everything together on your skin, and it still causes your beard to feel light, soft, and touchable, and just overall enjoyable to wear, which is kind of the point. For that, we would obviously recommend Volt's beard oil because that's the kind of formula we wanted to get, is a lighter beard oil than most out there. It'll still last you all day, but it absorbs very, very quickly. And it doesn't leave your hands feeling sticky or tacky or anything like that. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. Give us your honest feedback down in the comments about what you think, how your beard kind of feels, and which one of these tips made the biggest difference for you if you weren't already employing all of them in some way. So again, thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video.